Hey vlog! Sorry, what an odd way to start. So today we're going flying and Will is flying us. There he is. There's Will. There he is. He's our favorite. We've exposed him. Anyway, we're going in. Oh my god. There it is. Wow. What up, you? Oh, me and Will get
Does it eat gas?
me and Will This is freaking dope. And I owe it all to you. Look at him in the plane. Are you ready? I'm scared.
Mine are polarized and so the screen is rainbow.
Me too. Me too.
Oh my god!
She looked at me in the face. Hi. This is the inside. Wow. Look, y'all get to cuddle back here. You're so lucky.
Oh my goodness.
If you ever forget his name, he's wearing a name tag.
You got 2 petals.
We asked him to do that because we couldn't remember his name.
Yeah,
so
even though he's our best friend.
Let's move tonight.
Whoa. Ah! Run. Whoa. Whoa. Nice. Nervous levels on a scale of 1 to 10?
I'm not nervous because I've flown with him before.
I'm like at like a 1, if that's like nerve.
I guess I'm a 1 too because this is
Because
with
you know,
more
we don't
people.
know what's gonna happen.
This is with more people.
Nervous level 1 to 10.
7.
Nice.
Wow.
Nice. I'll ask Will too. Hey Will, nervous level 1 to 10.
Oh, 10 for sure.
I knew it. Because it's your first flight, right?
You guys know how to fly, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. We're in the plane now.
It's time to go.
Seatbelts, everyone. We are in the plane. How's your nervous level? 1 to 10? Oh, we're going at a 10. Solid 10.
I'm a little scared. I don't really like heights.
We're going? We made it to Ponca City. Woo! All right, give us the review.
It was good.
How do you feel?
I was really scared the whole time.
How do you feel that we have to go back in the plane to get back?
I feel fine. I trust God and I trust Will. That's what I kept saying.
Willie boy is tying down the plane, and then we're gonna go inside
He's
and
the best
eat.
pilot ever.
He's the best pilot I've ever met.
Okay, so right now we just landed and we're sitting in a restaurant at the airport in Ponca City. And it's called Enrique's Mexican Restaurant. We're just gonna eat and then fly back.
Nice! Thank you for being our pilot. Do you have any words of wisdom or anything to say?
Don't do drugs unless you want to. Stay in school.
Do you have anything to say for you?
Libby squeezed my hand a lot.
I approve this message.
Hey there, vlog. So it's been like literally a week since I vlogged. This is me ending the vlog, but like with something to it. We're going to explode a watermelon. Show our subject. His name's Will. Just like that one. We're going outside.
Hello, vlog.
Hello, vlog.
Hello.
Safety first. Come on. Oh my gosh.
Oh, God.
Oh my gosh, it's definitely disforming.
Wait, it looks really deforming.
It looks weird.
Oh my gosh, it's pointing towards me.
It looks very deformed.
Oh wait, I felt something. Last one and run.
Should I go get more?
Sure.
Okay.
Hey vlog, I've been watching Kara and Nate and they're like travel YouTubers, you know? It would be kind of fun if I was a travel YouTuber. I of course have nowhere to go, but like if I did. Okay, if I get 1,000 likes, I will drop out of school and travel the world.
Oh my gosh, not smart, Will.
Take that. Go on.
Let's go. All right, we're starting up again.
Oh, it looks like it's about to pop. It's about to
It's
pop.
not.
I can tell.
Oh no, I'm fine.
No! Pick it up, someone. I think we can keep going. That was so funny. Look at it. That's really funny. Okay, that is it for the vlog. I have no clue what we're doing next vlog. So until then, have a nice day. Bye.